The Maxit adhesive system combines motorized roller coaters with a unique adhesive for mounting a wide variety of media. To operate the coater, press the power switch and back. In 55 minutes a ready light goes on and the coater is ready to use. You then leave it on all day. To coat your media, press the motor switch. Feed your media into the rollers, then catch the leading edge as it exits. For larger sheets, feed in the media and guide it back towards the front of the coater. The adhesive is slightly sticky, but it will not transfer to your fingers, so it's clean to work with. It never loses its tack, so you can mount it any time, even months later. To mount smaller items, line up your media with the substrate. Although it's sticky, you can position the media easily. Once in position, roll it down to make contact and eliminate any air. You will receive a permanent bond on even hard to stick to surfaces. Here we mounted a photo print to Gator Foam, which is a resin coated board, and is completely permanent. If you try to remove the photo, you rip the paper. When mounting larger items, use silicone release paper to keep the print from sticking to the board while positioning it. Nothing sticks to silicone paper, which is the same backing used for pressure-sensitive labels. Place the silicone sheet on the board, leaving the first 2 inches of the board exposed. Position your media on the first 2 inches of the board, then rub it down to the board. To roll it down by hand, slide down the silicone paper to expose more of the board. Then roll down the media to the board. Continue to slide the silicone paper down until you've rolled down the entire print to the board. Old laminator, which Dage also makes, then place it into the laminator, drape the print over the roller, remove the release paper, and run it through. You can mount a wide variety of items, including custom labels for boxes and bottles, photos to photos for doing trading cards, leather to chipboards for book covers, and wide format prints for making signs, presentations, and trade show displays. When the adhesive gets low in the tray, cut the bag in half and place half into the tray in the coater. The bag is made from a special dissolvable material. If needed, you can adjust the coating thickness by moving the wiper blade. Loosen the screws on top of the blade. Then use the 2 set screws in front to move the blade out for a heavier coating or move it in for a thinner coating. There is a factory set space between the top and bottom rollers, so you cannot get adhesive on the image side. When finished with the coater for the day, turn off the power switch and the adhesive will solidify. There is no maintenance or cleanup.